Every single day you're doing things that are silently destroying your health. And the scary part? You don't even realize it. If you keep ignoring these habits, your body will pay the price. Hey guys, if you want to improve your health without crazy diets or expensive gym plans, watch this till the end, because the last habit is the most dangerous. Habit number 1, using your phone late at night. Scrolling before bed doesn't just waste time. It destroys your sleep quality. It delays melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Stop using your phone at least 30 minutes before bed. Habit number 2, not drinking enough water. If you feel tired, get headaches, or have low focus, you're probably dehydrated. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily depending on your body weight. Habit number 3, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast might sound smart for weight loss, but it often backfires. You end up overeating later. Start your day with protein, eggs, yogurt, or nuts. Habit number 4, too much sugar, especially in tea/coffee. That harmless daily sugar adds up fast, leading to fat gain and energy crashes. Reduce sugar gradually. Don't quit suddenly or you'll relapse. Habit number 5, no physical activity. You don't need a gym, but zero movement is dangerous. Walk at least 20 to 30 minutes daily. Habit number 6, ignoring stress. Stress doesn't just stay in your mind, it damages your entire body. Take 5 to 10 minutes daily for deep breathing or mental reset. Habit number 7, most dangerous, eating processed foods. Daily, packaged snacks, chips, junk food. These slowly destroy your body from the inside. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% clean food, 20% flexible. If you fix even 2 to 3 of these habits, you'll notice real changes in just 30 days. But most people won't change anything. So comment below, which habit are you going to fix first? Subscribe if you actually want to improve your health, not just watch videos.